We came here 2 years ago and it hadn't been decorated since 1970. So our intention was to fully decorate the whole house. We started this time last year where our builders came in and built an extension here in this room, and we have a utility room which had a side extension, but we built up on that. The main thing was to change the kitchen, which was very much 1970s kitchen. I heard from two sources actually. I heard from a friend who had gone to another fairly famous company, had a quote done with them, and then went to DIY kitchens and got the quote for half the price. Our builder said that actually the quality is amazing. He's already got a kitchen himself. We went up to Pontefract, had a day out. In fact, we stayed overnight and it was lovely. I was quite impressed with the showroom there. The facilities were brilliant. We spent hours. We went right around all the kitchens picking one. And then we went right around again, picking another one. Altino Petrol Blue. They're AEG appliances. And we got the worktop, again, someone that works with DIY kitchens. We got that from them as well. They were brilliant, spot on. Well, my husband's a builder, so he could have built some cupboards, but he said for the price and quality in DIY kitchens, it's worked as well, and so that's why we had it done at the same time. And then we decided to have the same thing with our utility room. I love the pull-out ladders are great. You know, if you're going to buy the kitchen and you're thinking of having a media wall like we have here, think about getting it all at the same time. Yeah.